Actress turned conservative commentator Stacey Dash is calling her congressional candidacy stops a little over a month after jumping right into a Los Angeles House race.
Dash tweeted a statement which she is withdrawing from the race because the total bitterness surrounding our political process, engaging in the rigors of campaigning, and holding elected office would be damaging to the well-being and health, of my loved ones.
She will still appear on the June 5 primary ballot as a Republican actress/news analyst.
Actress turned conservative commentator Stacey Dash is calling her congressional candidacy quits a little over a month after jumping into a Los Angeles House race.
Dash tweeted a statement that she is withdrawing from the race because the overall bitterness surrounding our political process, participating in the rigors of campaigning, and holding elected office would be detrimental to the health and well-being, of my family.
The state attorney general has sued Sutter Health, the largest hospital system in Northern California, alleging anti-competitive business practices that unfairly drove up costs for consumers, officials announced Friday.
The lawsuit filed in San Francisco County Superior Court alleges that Sutter engaged in anti-competitive contractual practices and that it charged prices for hospital healthcare services that far exceed what it would have been able to charge in a competitive market.
The complaint also alleges that the excess profits received went toward extreme levels of executive compensation, purchasing other health firms and financing its own insurance arm. 2 years ago this month, The Times investigated one of the longest lingering questions in California politics: are some voters mistakenly joining a political party when what they really want is to be an electoral free agent?
The policies are the result of a new state law that was part of a legislative package passed last year to safeguard immigrants here legally from President Trump's call for increased deportations.
It's not typical for a congressman to show up in person at a Board of Supervisors meeting. But that's exactly what happened Wednesday, when Representative Dana Rohrabacher spoke on a controversial matter the board was taking up Tuesday in Orange County: whether to join the Trump administration in suing California for its sanctuary state law. Rohrabacher's words aren't far off from talking points crafted more than a quarter-century ago during the campaign for Prop. 187, a ballot initiative that got its start in his coastal Orange County district and called for eliminating basic services such as health care and public schooling for immigrants in the country illegally. It passed, and helped propel Governor Pete Wilson to the governorship, but was later struck down by the courts. It's also received the brunt of the blame for the steep decline of the California Republican Party over the past couple decades.